When you first open the Mayflower insurance website, you are immediately greeted with a clean but somewhat traditional design that highlights their key services, including auto, truck, and commercial insurance. The home page puts an emphasis on coverage for trucking companies, which makes sense given the niche they are targeting, but at the same time, it might feel overwhelming if you are just looking for personal auto coverage. The navigation bar is straightforward, with clear categories for personal, commercial, and specialty insurance. However, the website design does look a bit outdated compared to more modern competitors, and loading times on some pages can be slightly slower than expected. As I move through the site, the auto insurance section provides general explanations about liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. While the information is helpful for someone who may not know much about insurance, it lacks the deeper level of detail that would help compare specific policy options. For instance, I couldn't easily find concrete examples of deductibles, policy limits, or side-by-side comparisons of plans. Instead, the site encourages you to call or fill out a quote form, which can feel like an extra step when you just want quick transparency about pricing. The trucking insurance section is where Mayflower Insurance seems to shine. There are multiple options for fleet coverage, cargo protection, and liability insurance designed for professional drivers and trucking companies. They explain the importance of meeting federal and state requirements, which is critical in the transportation industry. This section also offers case examples of claims and compliance information, which is more detailed than what is available for personal auto insurance. Still, the process of actually getting a quote remains tied to direct contact rather than instant online calculators or estimate tools that other insurance websites provide. When it comes to usability, the site is functional but not especially innovative. Some people might appreciate the simplicity, but in 2025, most users expect interactive features, online chat support, and instant policy customization tools. Mayflower Insurance does provide phone numbers and a contact form, but response times can vary, and customer support availability isn't displayed clearly on the site. This could be frustrating if you are trying to get information outside of standard business hours. The claims process information is another area that feels incomplete. While they briefly explain how to report a claim, there are no detailed walkthroughs or customer portals visible on the website for tracking claim progress. If you value self-service features, this may be a drawback. That said, reviews from professional drivers online suggest that Mayflower Insurance agents are knowledgeable and experienced in handling trucking claims, which is a strong point if you operate a business in that field. In terms of pricing, the site does not publish standardized rates, which is fairly common in the insurance industry, but can still be disappointing. You are required to either call or submit detailed information before receiving a quote. For businesses with multiple vehicles, this makes sense since every case is unique, but for individuals wanting quick comparisons, it adds a layer of inconvenience. Overall, my honest experience with Mayflower Insurance is that it is best suited for trucking companies and commercial clients who need specialized coverage. For personal auto insurance, the site provides basic information but lacks the interactive tools and transparent pricing that most modern users expect. While the company's niche expertise in trucking is clear, the website design and user experience could benefit from modernization and improved digital tools. If you found this review helpful and want more honest walkthroughs of services like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. It helps support the channel and ensures you don't miss future reviews.